friends, welcome back to Science Fun for Kids. I hope you're having fun on Christmas break. Today, we're going to do secret message experiment. If you want to write a letter to your parents without your brothers and sisters knowing about it, you can watch this experiment, guys. The things that you need are a Q-tip, a fresh lemon, a bowl, and paper. Squeeze the lemon. Now dip the Q-tip and write something on the paper. Once you're done writing a message, now take the paper next to that candle. Guys, be careful or the paper will burn. Wow! Guys, do you see what I see? It's a message! It is fun, right guys? Do you know how it works? When we take the paper next to the flame, it gets heated up. And the lemon juice gets decomposed and release carbon. When the carbon touches the air, it gets oxidized. Guys, if you don't know what oxidation means, I'll tell you right now. When you cut an apple and put it on the countertop for 10 to 15 minutes, you can see a brownish color on the white part. That's oxidation. When iron gets oxidized, it gets rusty. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe and hit that bell icon so when I update a video, you'll get notified. Thank you and Nandri and Merry Christmas!